Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to upload supporting documentations for your Geico insurance claim in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Geico accounts. So you want to go ahead and log into your Geico accounts. You can do that on the online platform. That's the Geico website. Or you could choose to log in on the Geico mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged in, you're just going to click on Claims. So click on Claims and then select the claim that you want to upload documentations for. Next, you're going to click on Upload Documents, and then you can just go ahead and select the file that you want to upload. And once you have that, go ahead and upload the document and then click Submit, and Geico is going to handle the rest from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to upload supporting documentations for your Geico insurance claim in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next